everybody, I'm so Filipina. Today's video, I'm just gonna unbox this parcel. So it's here already today. And this is also from Shein. So this one, we're not ready yet, but I'm already opening. So okay, I have this bag. This is just a quick unboxing video. So this one is a shopping for, this is $60 shopping from Shein. And the good thing, I have this bag. I'm gonna use this one for my camera. So just showing you what I have purchased. Well, I have this one. It's big and it's very handy, so convenient. So I'm gonna show you. And of course, this bag I can put my phone also, and it's very strong. I love it. So comfy. And then next is this one. I also have lens for my camera, so I buy at Amazon and it was the wrong size, but no problem, I can return it and get the refund for that. I did not know that I can buy it at Shein. So oh my god, I break my nails. No, I need some scissors for this, but okay, yeah, I have my lens here and I will open this one with my sharp nails. I just have to put the bag. Use that. So this ultra low reflection CPL. So I will see. I cannot open it. Be right back. But no problem. I can put it here first, and we're gonna open this one. So this one is for the cell phone, because when I'm driving, the reflection of the sun rays, the sun, the UV rays. So I need this one. It's a lens for the cell phone, so it's with the pouch. It's very good. This is quite expensive also, and it's also with the passport. So it's with documents. So okay, this one is for the phone. Oh, it's very nice. It's with clip, and I have the lens. So we'll see what's in here. We'll see. I don't know how to use this one, but then okay. Oh, and we're gonna install it with this. I have to see how. Okay, I'm gonna attach it here. I think first is I have to. Okay, I can move that one, and then I have to just lock this one. Okay, this is the lens. Not bad. And then I have to make sure it's strong and lock. Okay, I don't know how I have to do it, but oh, this cover. Okay, I have to get my phone, and then but then I have also lens here with me. It's my first time, so I'm going to figure out. And this is how it looks like. I also buy this one at Shein. So I always buy and shop at Shein because it's cheap, and then also very affordable. So I have to figure out how it works. So I have to go to the camera. Okay. So is this really needed? What's that? I thought it's a clip, but then I have to remove this one. Yeah, okay. So let's see. If you want LCD, I can use this one. Okay, I can adjust. This is a kind of luxury, but oh my gosh, my eyes is kind of painful for this because it's zoomed in. So the question is, do you really need to use this one for your phone? My answer is no, it's not needed. Don't buy any lens for your phone because as I see it here, it's not really so handy to use it. But for the front camera, it's more easy with front camera. So we'll see. But I will not recommend buying lens for this is expensive, but it's not useful. So the reason I want to buy this is because for driving, it's sometimes against the light. But well, it's good to know in a way. It's not handy to use this one because look at the outcome. It's really like you see the dark around and it's really zoom in. So this is only for zooming lens. So another waste of money. I thought it's a kind of UV for UV lights. Okay, it's good to know anyway. But I love the bag and of course the lens. I'm gonna try it later. So very handy. That's all for now, guys. See you next vlog.